Why is it so hard to learn programming? Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python, Data, and more. So thanks for joining us today. So what I want to talk about is the actual learning of any language. Now, your first language is going to be absurdly more challenging. And you might say, well, yeah, of course. Or you also might be on the other end. Well, why? All right. So if you're learning to program, I want you to think about that. You're learning to program. Then I'm going to add an entirely different language, a way to communicate, a way to express your thoughts and ideas. So you're literally learning two tasks. So two things are happening. You're reprogramming your brain on how you explain things and then how you express things. So orders of operations, steps you take, where I call it human brain and Python brain, or human brain and SQL brain. So if you just look at it as human brain and programming brain, it's like, okay, I'm going to have this thing and it's very difficult, but if you think about it as a five-year-old can just think through things because they are not an adult and they haven't overcomplicated anything. So if you think about, I'm going to open up a box and I need to go through each of these. So that's what you need to do. You think you need to understand what you're truly doing. How can I explain this as if I were as a five-year-old? Because a programming language is that simplistic. It has a very simple set of instructions that you can literally build upon, and build a skyscraper. But it starts with looking at a block. Is this block something? And then you give it an assignment. If this block meets this condition, then it needs to do such task. And if it does not, it either goes over here or it's waiting to do something else. So when you begin to think about it as the least complicated task, you then be able to understand the rudimentary function of any programming, any decision making. Think about a flow chart. If this happens, do this. That's literally all programming is. And then everything above that is complexity. And that's also one thing that I'm going to begin speaking to immensely is over-engineering. You have got to be on the lookout for over-engineering. I'm hypersensitive to that. So I think that is enough for today, but thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.